clear the ramp. We are ready for transfer.
Roger that, Supervisor. All clear.
Coordinated teams guide the organic materials onto the belts, where they begin the automated flow toward the first stage of inspection.
Check the cyan levels on the third roller. Increasing saturation by 5% now.
In this refined environment, rotating brushes and specialized coatings enhance the leather's texture.
Look at this fluctuation on the tensile strength.
It's within the acceptable deviation, but let's monitor the next rung closely.
The heated metal stamp presses the logo with exact pressure, bonding the gold foil to the leather for a premium finish.
High-pressure air jets remove microscopic dust, followed by a meticulous hand polishing from our dedicated team, preparing the bag for packaging.
Sector 4 is clear for the inbound shipment. Divert remaining pallets to Lane 12 immediately.
The seamless integration of human oversight ensures flawless operation across the vast network.
We have a bottleneck forming off the coast of Spain.
I see it. Divert the carriers south around Africa. Inform the clients of the delay.
The new routing algorithm increased throughput by 20%.
That explains the bottleneck near Section 4.
Here are the final boxes for the shipment.
Thank you.
Let me just confirm the manifest.
Yes, perfect.
Delivery for the main floor. Thank you. The new collection looks
Stunning.
Let's place the navy one here.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the boutique.
Thank you. These bags are exquisite. The clasp is solid brass, designed to withstand daily use while maintaining its shine.
And the interior space is quite generous.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.